Yo, what's good, y'all? You know, I'm back on the video. I'm about to install these lights. You know what I'm saying? We got the lights coming in. It took almost 5 years. 5 years to get these lights, man. And yeah, so I was gonna go over to Zeus crib and have him. We gonna install him like we doing the GA. And but no, he at work, so you know, so I'm about to just go outside real quick and install him. It ain't nothing too hard. Y'all a little tutorial while I'm at it. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all outside. Hold on, bro.
I ain't saying that, bro. Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Bro, what the fuck? As y'all can see, you know, I'm driving the Vette. I was just gonna install them. Don't mind that. I don't know what that is. It's something in the little thing where she be taking the top off. I'm driving the Vette because I'm finna go to Zeus' house to, so we can install these. Wait, no, not Zeus. Loudy house, so we can install these. He got the right tool. I don't got the tool to take the lights out and put them back in. So he got it. He told me not to go and buy one. He told me just pull it to his house so we can just install it. But yeah, I'm still give y'all a tutorial on how to install these, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Show your other Vette people. Share this to one of them Facebook groups so they can learn how to put their lights in. You know, in this case, if they don't, you know what I'm saying, they can just learn from us. You feel me? They ain't gotta pay somebody to do it. You know, they can do it themselves. But yeah, so yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get the Lottie house. Alright, y'all, I just pulled up the Lottie crib. But if you don't know who Lottie is, that's Pack a Punch Perform. Hey, focus. But if you don't know who Lottie is, that's Pack a Punch Performance on Instagram. So make sure you go and follow him for all y'all cosmetic and sometimes performance needs, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you about to put these on. Yeah. You like those, huh, Lottie? Wow. Alright, y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a little screw up there. I ain't had the right tool, so you know, Lottie had to cut me in clutch. Hold up. Wait. Alright, y'all, what y'all wanna do when y'all unplugging? Hold on. Like, you see this? You don't have to unplug. Hold on. Like, you can keep this in there or keep this attached to the car, but just take the bulb out like this. Just take it out and then plug this up, and then you know, you got to, because this is little LEDs and shit, I guess. So when you do it, just take that out. You ain't got to take out the whole thing. That's what I did. I ended up messing them out. They're going to look up another YouTube video on install them. But yeah, so you just put them in there and they should work good. You know? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this finna be crazy. But I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna pick back up the camera when I get done. Alright, y'all, I just left Loudy House. Just got done installing the lights. I'm about to go get a car wash because this car dirty. Like it's just been sitting for 10 days. So I'm about to go and get a car wash. And then I'm gonna show y'all the finishing product. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when I get there. When I get done washing the car off and stuff. Hopefully she got some towels in the back. If not, that's on her. That ain't nothing to do with me. You know, she has some towels in the back. I see though she got some towels. I might have to wipe it down with this little paper towel. You know, give it a little wipe down. But all right, y'all. I just got done getting the car wash. I'm about to show y'all the finished product. Yeah, I don't think y'all ready. Alright, y'all see. Yeah, y'all like that. I had to get a glass house. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's glass right there. It didn't like I'm taking a picture. She needs some taller skins. But yeah, y'all like that? Y'all like the lights? Personally, these the best ones in my opinion. I seen them. If y'all don't know who Mike is, he's a Cali YouTuber. He was finna get a Vette or another one, and it was all black with those lights. I'm like, damn, them fire. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta find those. So I found them, and then my mom was already looking for lights for the Vette. So I'm like, oh yeah, let me just go in and grab. I'm gonna shut it off. She liked them too. I'm like, oh yeah. So I went and grabbed them for Mother's Day. This was a Mother's Day gift. They was on back order for like 8 months, bro. I ordered them back in May, and they just came in today. I would have did an unboxing and stuff for y'all, but I had to make sure they was the right lights. I don't know if I said that before in the beginning of the video, but yeah. But comment down below if y'all like the lights, you know what I'm saying, and also comment what other mods we should do to the Vette, you know, because I'm down, you know what I'm saying. I can do whatever until I get my car, because when I get my car and then it's over for that, she got to get her own modifications, you know what I'm saying, you know. But yeah, let me know if y'all like the lights. Let me like that, huh? Yeah, give me alright. Nice. Like that. Really nice, bruh. Don't nobody that watch my YouTube. No, bro. We don't. Boy, if you don't. They don't even. We don't even stay in Michigan, bro. Any other nigga. Wow. Hey. Scale out of 1 through 10. Out of 10.
Don't let him get a 10. Only way you would have got a 10.
Bro, I'm talking about just the lights. Just the back part, bro. Not the whole car.
Oh, lights?
Yeah.
Oh, 10.
Alright. You gotta take your pieces off and shit. I don't know what that was about.
No, I was extending pieces. You know what I'm saying? You know, the wide body fenders and the headlights and then the splitter, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I really fuck with
I had to get this boy glass house because it was bro, this motherfucker dirty as hell.
You like cars, dude.
Bye, right here. This little angle right here, fire.
Yeah. Shit.
All she need now is the bigger spoiler and the diffuser.
That's what it was. I'm seeing it. I'm like the light's hard as hell. I'm like, but it looked like she's missing something at the bottom.
Yeah, the diffuser.
Respect myself.
But yeah, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. You feel me? Share this with your friends, your aunties, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, your moms, and share it to them. If you know somebody with a C6 Vet that's looking to get those lights, or any kind of lights, send them my video if they don't know how to put them in, if they don't know how to put them on. You feel me? Cause I showed y'all how to put them on, and I also show y'all what tool to get too, so you'll know what tool to get and where to get it from. I don't know how much it costs though, so you have to go and do all that yourself. But I'll tell you which one it was if you ain't already see it. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's a wrap for this one.
We ain't in the gulag, you'll probably never live again. Liquor got me spinning in the clubs just like a ceiling fan. My nigga, he the plug, head honcho, fuck a middleman. That bitch pulled up with herself, tell her go get a friend.